everyone. I am Parveen Sharma, representing the BIM engineers in the capacity of CEO, and we are one of the leading organization providing building information modeling, design, CAD services to the global industry. We are very happy to be here today as an awardee on this SME forum platform, and we very much appreciate the forum to provide us this platform to express ourselves and to recognize our contribution, our little contribution in the industry. Very happy, and on behalf of the BIM engineers family, I heartily congratulate to all the awardees on getting recognized in this industry, and the organizer of India SME Forum on providing this amazing platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you.